Yes, hello and welcome to this video. Today we're showing you how you can update the firmware of our TELE eCap sensor, also known as the G-Force R480, and so on and so forth. To do that, go on tele-controls.com and then click on the eCap product page. If you scroll all the way down, we'll have the software that's available for the product. Here you can download the firmware updater software. That's the one we need to pretty much make sure that the eCap power and energy sensor is always on the latest software. And once you do that, you will receive this zip file here. And this zip file, once you unpack it, will give you pretty much the opportunity to run the firmware updater. So simply click on here, and then this window here will open. Now, this also requires you to, of course, connect the eCap sensor to your PC computer, and that laptop can be connected to the eCap with a USB to RS485 converter. Now, you also have to make sure that you select the baud rate and the parity that is also set to the product here. So in our case, this will be 9600, and we'll have no parity. On the Modbus address, of course, that has to match as well. In our case, that's 1, so that should be fine. And once you click connect, this window will show you, hey, there is a new software update available. In this case, it's 1.1. This software update increases the accuracy and also adds a little few other features that you can use to work with the product. So now we simply hit start update, and then automatically the software downloads the latest up-to-date software for the eCap sensor. As you can see, this takes a little while depending on the file size and the update size. And at this point, we fast forwarded a little bit, just to let you know also, while the eCap sensor is updating, the LED, the green one that signals that we have power, is flashing, and also the COM LED signals that the Modbus is actually being put to work. Now, on this screen, you also see, for example, the current hardware version and the software version also, as well. And so while this is installing, we can also, you know, make sure to give you a little bit more insight on these buttons here. Select another file would be, for example, if TELE was to provide you like an external software update with like maybe specific functionalities and whatnot, you could select one that you downloaded on your PC as well. Now we'll be back shortly with another update on the install of the firmware update. That's how quick it goes. We're at 96% here with the firmware update of the eCap sensor. So shortly it will be finished. You can also see in that status bar tells you still that we're updating and we're almost at 100% here. So, and if everything has been updated successfully, you'll receive this prompt window saying successfully updated to version V1.1 in this case. Now, what we recommend is always powering down and up again the sensor so it can power up again with the new software update. And in order to check if it has the software update, the one that we just installed, you can click on connect again, and then it will show you usually no newer firmware update available for the device. That's how easy it goes. That's how you receive the newest features on your eCap sensor. And should you have any questions, send us an email to sales@tele-controls.com. Thank you.